How to acquire free website promotion.
You have finished making your own website. You have introduced your company and presented your products and services. You have added propositions and promos to catch your target audience's attention. You have achieved the do's and don'ts of building a company website. But why isn't your website a major success? Maybe you're not planning the key to the best promotion of your website. Here are some guidelines on how to acquire free website promotions for your company's success. If you have started to promote your website, keep it constant. If you promote your site with persistence, it will catch your audience's attention. Be patient. Try each method in promotion until you acquire the best, free promotion there is. You have to accept trial and error for your website to reach the top. There are many ways for your website to be seen. Here are some free website promotions you could try until you find the most effective. Free promotions such as search engines and directories would give your website the deserved traffic you always wanted. Make sure to check your website's ranking to know whether or not this type of free promotion is right for you. Make a deal with other websites on trading links which could help both websites. Make sure to use words that could easily interest the audience. Find free classified ads that could boost the promotion of your website. These ads could be seen by other people who you are not targeting for, but may as well be interested in your services. Free and low-cost internet banners are spread all throughout the World Wide Web. Banners that pop up at the top of a page or in a separate window would automatically catch your target audience's attention. If your website and its free promotion did not work even after accomplishing these methods, analyze your website. Track down all visitors, advertisements, and transactions. Then locate errors in your website. Upload new files to your website continuously for audience to return for new products and services. Monitor your own website if it's up in the market or down. Then be ready to try the methods again and surely it will work. It has always been said that the best things in life are free. Yes, they are. And as soon as your free website promotion proves to the audience its worth, then you'll believe it's true.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.